Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue our number series. Stick with me. By the end, you'll definitely be able to say any number in Chinese with ease. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most honored numbers in Chinese, the number 9. Back in the Oracle bone script period, this symbol was used to represent the number 9. But originally, this symbol actually showed a bent, tightly flexed arm, a sign of strength. Historians believe that ancient people considered 9 to be the largest number, and because its sound and symbolic meaning were similar to the idea of strength, they eventually borrowed this symbol to represent the number 9. Over time, the character kept evolving and simplifying, and it eventually became the modern character we use today. Most of the time, 9 simply refers to the number 9, but it's also often used to express the idea of many, multiple times, or even the notion of the highest limit of a number. For example, 九霄 means the highest part of the sky, the uppermost heavens. 九州 means the 9 regions of ancient China, used to refer to all of China as a whole. 九死一生 means to survive after facing death many times, a narrow escape from repeated life-threatening dangers. Now let's practice reading it. 九 九 九 The character 九 is a single-component character with only 2 strokes, one left falling stroke and one horizontal, vertical turn hook stroke. It's very simple to write. From left to right, first write the left falling stroke on the left, then write the horizontal, vertical turn hook stroke on the right. Just watch for one detail. The 2 strokes sit on the left and right, and they cross slightly at the upper left corner. You might be wondering why the number 9, 九, is considered the most prestigious. In traditional Chinese culture, 9 is the largest single-digit number. Think of it as the big boss among its peers, commanding immense respect. Chinese emperors famously used the number 9 to showcase their supreme status. You can see this everywhere in imperial architecture. One of the best-known examples is the 9 Dragon Wall, 九龙壁, a huge glazed screen decorated with 9 powerful dragons. Since the dragon is the ultimate symbol of authority and nobility in China, 9 dragons together represent the highest level of imperial majesty. These walls weren't just decorative. They were meant to project awe, inspire respect, and remind everyone of the emperor's unmatched power. The 9th day of the 9th month in the lunar calendar is also a special traditional Chinese festival, 重阳节, the double 9th festival. In the Chinese culture, 九 represents yang, and 重 means double, so the date 重阳 becomes the double 9th. This day falls right in the middle of autumn, when the scenery is especially beautiful. One of the traditional activities is hiking or climbing mountains, not only to enjoy the views, but also as a symbol of good health and long life. People also eat double 9th cake, 重阳糕, a sweet rice-based dessert. It looks like it has many, many layers, which is why it's called double 9th cake. If you visit China in the autumn, you'll definitely want to try this festival treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.